Oh, hey, what's up, everyone? It's been a while, huh? Hair's getting wild, isn't it? I meant to cut it, but at this point, it's got a life of its own. If I kill it now, I'd be a killer. I know it's been a while since we've been back. You're probably wondering, where have you been for the past couple days? Well, my room got raided once again. It seems like this is a whole, 3-year thing. Like, every 3 years, my room is going to get raided. All my creations are going to get fucked. Oops, did I say that? I did. It happens. Words slip out, people. It's just the way life works. Anyways, after feeling better after that, a couple days, I got the feeling better, I guess. Not only that, for good news though, also, the hole in my mouth, not really a problem that much anymore. I'm able to drink soda again, happy for that. Able to eat again without gauze in my mouth, happy for that. Even able to smoke again without gauze in my mouth. All I do, gotta keep in mind, I gotta keep it rinsing with salt water at least daily. It feels like at least daily. I should probably be rinsing at least like twice a day, but that's what brushing comes in handy. Anyways, today, since this ain't no problem anymore, my teeth, thank the Lord. Also, they're getting whiter. Not in this shade though. Since we got this going on for us, I'm going to be making a new meal. I'm going to be trying to make a new meal. And today's meal we're going to be trying to make is, I haven't really thought of a name for it yet. Garlic Texas cheese sandwich. I don't know. Basically, I'll be cooking some of these cheese balls up, these mozzarella cheese balls that are, I guess that looks like regular dough that's surrounded them, regular dough crust around them. And then, I'm like, see if it is regular dough. Yeah, pizza, it's pizza style dough crust. Okay, so that's good. And then, I'll be heating up some of these, I like these the most out of garlic bread. These are my favorite right here. I'll be heating up some of these, and I'll be making a sandwich out of these two things, and we'll see how they taste. If they're bomb, we're gonna be giving them a rating of a good rating, and if they're not, well, you all know what that means. Just bad rating. Nothing else more. This is a new meal, so what else could you do about it? It's not like I could be like, you gotta stop selling this. No, this is me creating a new meal. So if anything, I'm the one to blame if it's bad. I actually already tried this while my teeth were healing, which was a horrible idea because garlic breadsticks, it gets stuck in every tooth. Okay, so I already did try this, but the thing is, I tried this with American cheese ones instead of mozzarella cheese ones, and those American cheese ones, they just didn't taste good at all. Even when they were alone, they tasted like day-old mozzarella sticks, basically. That's what they taste like to me. Or like kind of the mozzarella sticks you get from White Castle. They kind of have that bland taste to them. That's what the orange ones taste like. Hopefully these will be a lot better. And these, they taste like garlic sticks, just like how they are. I mean, garlic sticks, garlic bread slices. So yeah, I'll be cooking up these first. And then after we get these cooked up, hold on. Yeah, I think this would be better, more hot, because this will be the bread, and this will be these will be inside this, so while this is still hot, cooling down, these will have a chance to cook up again and heat up some more. So yeah, we'll be doing that. Let's give this a try. God dang, look at those. Those are huge. Compared to the orange ones I cooked up, they're like way smaller, basically half this size. And so I was able to fit like a good 25 of them on the plate. These, you only could fit a good, 2 dozen it looks like. Well, it's 16. Anyways, we'll be putting this on for 10 minutes and letting it cook. So it's been 10 minutes and I'm just looking at them like, are these really done? They feel hot. I'm pretty sure they're done, but I'm pretty sure I'm stupid for doing this. But you know what, we got a taste test to make sure they're really done before we start cooking the garlic bread, so Oh my god, it's hot. But it has such a good taste. Hmm. Not bad. A lot better. A lot better than the orange ones. I think the orange ones, they were so small. Look at this. They were so small that you couldn't taste the bread in them really. So all you really did is taste like that melted cheese, which isn't really a great meal when it's alone. I think that's a problem with the orange ones. This has grease in it. Like, look. See that? Oh, licking. Okay. I gotta cook on the other part. I can already tell you. If these are that good, these sandwiches are gonna be the bomb. I'm pretty sure they're gonna get a high rating. That's my bet. Just because this first part, the main part, is good. And I already know that the garlic bread's gonna be good, so dang, this is gonna be awesome. I'm excited for this one. So we got the I forgot the name of it. Garlic bread. For some reason I wanted to call it sweet bread. I don't know why. Totally not sweet bread. The garlic bread we got done. So that should be interesting. So this is cool. I just realized I can place these cheesy bites inside basically the cheese bread, so we don't have to add another piece on top. Even maybe 2 bites for 1 bread. So yeah, hopefully, because the garlic bread's super hot right now, so when I'm placing these cheesy bites in there, hopefully it's cooking them up just a little bit more. So while the garlic bread cools down, it'll heat up our cheesy bites a little bit more. And there it is, our garlic cheesy sandwich. Well, it's really too hot to take a bite at like a sandwich, honestly. But I just tried. It's so dark now. But I just tried, it's still super dark. 1 second, people. It's the camera. There we go. A little bit better. So, I just tried a bite of the garlic bread with a bite of the cheesy bite. And wow. Honestly, the cheesy bites make the garlic bread a lot better. Which makes sense because a lot of things make garlic bread a lot better. Eating garlic bread alone isn't the most pleasurable thing. But when you do mix it with some cheese and some breading like this, it's awesome. I love the taste of this meal, honestly. You get the garlicness of the garlic bread, which gives you kind of a tart taste. And then these little cheesy bites, they really calm down that tart taste or garlic taste. And these cheesy bites, 10 out of 10 already alone. They're good. Even when I wasn't recording, I ate one, an extra one. Let's get one more bite of this garlic cheesy bread that we made here. That's good. That's really fire. Keep in mind, it's a lot of bread you're eating, so it's gonna be a bit dry. So as long as you got something to down this meal with, like a soda or water or whatever it may be, milk would probably be a good choice. Yeah, it's gonna be great. But if you don't got a drink with you, then this meal could be a little bit on the probably 7 out of 10 scale. But right now, it's for sure 9 out of 10. Why isn't it getting a 10 out of 10? Because, you know, it's really great. It's really good, but it's not great. I think it could be better. It doesn't really make me think of a new flavor, really. Honestly, it really comes down to it. All I could be thinking about is, I really can eat these mozzarella breadsticks a lot more than I can eat those garlic bread alone. Good stuff. But anyways, sorry, I keep eating. Thanks for watching, and thanks for staying tuned. I hope you all enjoyed that random meal we made. And there's more to come, of course, like always. So stay tuned and stay awesome like you always do.